Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the CFO of Rocket Money. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. What do you think is the most important role in a company? Some people might say it's the CEO, the person who sets the vision and leads the company. Others might say it's the CTO, the person who drives innovation and technology. But I would argue that the CFO is just as important, if not more so. The CFO is responsible for the financial health of the company. They are the ones who make sure that the company has enough cash on hand to pay its bills, that it is making money, and that it is investing in the right places. So, who is the CFO of Rocket Money? CFO of Rocket Money. The CFO of Rocket Money is Matt Rossner. Matt has been with the company since 2016, and he has over 20 years of experience in finance. Before joining Rocket Money, Matt worked at Goldman Sachs and Credit Suisse. Matt is a highly respected leader in the finance industry. He is known for his financial acumen, his strategic thinking, and his ability to build strong teams. Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps people save money on their bills. The app analyzes your spending habits and then recommends ways to save money on your monthly expenses. Rocket Money has been growing rapidly in recent years. The company now has over 10 million users, and it is one of the most popular personal finance apps in the United States. Why is the CFO of Rocket Money important? The CFO of Rocket Money is important because he is responsible for the financial health of the company. As Rocket Money continues to grow, it is important that the company has a strong financial foundation. Matt Rossner is a highly experienced and talented CFO. He is well suited to lead Rocket Money through its next phase of growth. I hope you enjoyed this video about the CFO of Rocket Money. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, be sure to check out their website. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. I hope you have a great day.